Okay, I've seen this commercial a million times, and I do sympathize with people with cancer. I've got a brother that's got cancer. Okay, that ain't what this bullshit is about. Okay, first of all, the broad that's behind it is called Susan J. Komen. Komen, what do you think that's, Japanese? Komen? Okay, you got the two pillars on either side. She's using pink. All right, that's a female aspect here. This is such bullshit. Now look, it's 3 days, 60 miles. 3 days equals 3. 3 days is 72 hours. That equals 9. 60 miles, okay, equals 6. You can go look this up. The stats are at the bottom here. Okay, they're saying they're invincible. Really? Well, if you were invincible, cancer wouldn't be kicking your ass, because you're actually doing nothing to stop it. All right, so we know that this way the story is, it's 3, it's 9, and it's 6. They are always in this position, always. Okay? When it's down, the 9 is at the bottom, and the 6 and the 3 are the same. It's just the 9 and the positives and the negatives chain. So this would be positive 9, negative 6, negative 3. This would be negative 9, positive 6, positive 3. So what do we got here? We know that the order that it's written in is it's a 3, 9, 6 story, which means it's going 3, 9, 6, which means it's going this way. Okay? So in other words, it's spiraling out. You know those spirals you always see? They go in two different directions. That's why 6 and 9 are important, because one spins one way and one spins the other way. So this is energy that's spiraling out. In other words, if you were looking at this, the energy would be spiraling and coming at you. Okay? If it was a 3, 6, 9 story, then that would be energy that would be spiraling in. Okay? That's what that is. I don't know how this thing works exactly, but I get it. I'm getting it little by little. It's the way that they're writing it is telling you whether the power is flowing in or it's flowing out. And the more they play this, the more the energy flows in and the more it flows out. Colors are frequencies. Colors are energy patterns. This shit is high physics. To you, the average person, it's a commercial for cancer. We live in such a diluted fucking sense of reality of what's really going on here. But I've hated this commercial. The word Komen, if that ain't a Red Sea pedestrian, I don't know what the fuck is. We're getting fucking jerked around here. These are all written in coded ways. That's all I can tell you. This is bullshit. It's a 396. 3 being the first number. The second one was 3 days, 72 hours, 6, right? So it's a 396, which means it's going this way, which means it's spiraling out. If it was spiraling in, it would be a 3-6, or it would be a 369, because it would be going this way. I'm assuming based on clockwise, counterclockwise. But I'll tell you what, Alex Jones and Jordan Maxwell and these guys are not going to tell you this stuff. And that's the thing. It ain't a pat. I'm not patting myself on the back. I'm saying, why aren't they telling you this stuff? I'm not the only one that knows this stuff, because there's people that know how this stuff really works and are using it against us. So I'm nobody special. What I'm saying is the news stories are conveying it, creating it, transferring energy, something. But I get it. That's why 6 and 9 are so important. So ask yourself a question. Why aren't these other truth tellers hitting on this shit? Because most of them are fucking working with this stuff.